What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for joining me on another video. So I wasn't live this morning. Most people noticed that, and I had a lot of questions, and I wasn't actually going to make any videos either. I wasn't going to respond to anybody or talk to anybody because I really didn't feel like doing anything. And it's not that I'm lazy in any way. As you know, I've been going live pretty much every single weekday, and sometimes I even did it on the weekend way back when. I've been doing multiple hours and then also uploading videos, which doesn't really take me a lot of time to do all that stuff. I could upload all the videos that I typically have, like record and upload them within maybe an hour. I'm sort of upset or depressed about the fact that I kind of streamline this in a the best way possible, which most people would be like, why are you upset about that? Why wouldn't that make you happier? Now you get to spend more time with your family and doing whatever it is you want to do. And that's true. I can, but this is not what I wanted to really do on YouTube. When I first started YouTube, it was a hobby, and it was all about, I created maybe 3 videos a week, and trying to do the best videos possible, edit the videos the best way that I can, and hopefully relate to some people and people can agree with what I'm saying. Then I started to move to one video every day. Even on the weekends, I recorded a video, which wasn't really that bad, and I started to grow pretty fast. And then I decided to start to do a little bit more videos plus a live stream. And it just kept piling on and adding more and more videos. Right now, I'm sitting at about, sometimes I record, 2 to 3 videos, all the way up to 5 videos, depending on how much I have to talk about. And I do one live stream every day. Weekends are usually stuck between like 2 to 4 videos that I upload the whole day. And the reason why I upload this is not because it's like, you're creating YouTube videos that are long-lasting YouTube videos. They're YouTube videos that are in the moment, that are right now YouTube videos. And that's what kind of I don't agree with. I was doing all of these videos that were lasting a long time. I would record a video, and like the fidelity video that I have, I uploaded that video talking about fidelity. That's a long lasting video, and went from being 2,000 views at the start to 183,000 views at the time of recording this video. That's the type of video that I want. Passive income like videos that can live on, that people can use and rewatch and gather something from. But if you have an update video on a cryptocurrency or something, that's not a video that people can rewatch. That's a video that will last for one day, and it will only be relevant for one day. That's not why I started this. I started doing YouTube videos as a hobby because I love the editing process. The only thing that I use the editing process for right now is for my golf channel, which is why with this video, I'm going to be editing this video just to show you that things can be uploaded in 4K. They can be at a higher quality. I could even change settings if I wanted to, which I really want to do. As you know, with some of these videos that I put out previously, I was like, yeah, I'm going to set up the whole entire basement to be the studio so that I can change settings and have a camera over there, a camera over here, whatever I want to do to make the video quality that much better. But I didn't do it. And it's been over a year. It's been like a year and a half since I said that I was going to do that. I have multiple cameras. I haven't used my other camera. I don't even know where it is. I haven't used my other camera in such a long time, and I should be using that camera because it is a really, really good camera. So obviously I'm having issues today, but I can't stop recording videos in general, because if I do that, then we don't have the revenue in order to support the family and all that stuff. But I can tell you today, I definitely needed a break. And not only am I taking a break today, I'm not uploading anything on Saturday. I'm not uploading anything on Sunday. And I believe I will be back Monday. But I need to step away to reevaluate what I'm doing with this. While I have a big revenue month that was in September, I need to take that revenue month in September, understand what I'm doing in October, in these next 3 days, and hopefully I can come up with a better solution than what I've been doing. I think it's great to have updates on cryptocurrency and all that stuff, and I think I will continue to do that. But when it comes to editing content, I don't know how I'm going to go about it. I think the only method that I can think about in order to edit content and feel good about that content, long lasting content that will continue to be watchable, whether it's gaining revenue or not, would be shorts. The one shorts video that I did on Shiba Inu ended up getting 330 or 350,000 views, which is my most viewed video on my channel. And I took the time to edit it, put in the captions, put in all the different B-roll, all of that stuff. And I love the editing process. So why not do that more? So I'm going to spend more time doing shorts videos. But this weekend, you're not going to get anything from me. So for this weekend, I'm pretty much quitting YouTube. After this weekend, we will reevaluate, and hopefully things do start to clear up a bit. So anyways, hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button, because we are going to have other content coming soon. It's just we're not going to have anything today, tomorrow, and the next day. I will be live, I believe, on DJ Trev's channel where he's talking to Lunatics Token. But other than that, I won't be active on anything. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Whenever that next video is, I'll see you then.